Hey y'all, welcome back. Glad you're here again. Today I have my wigs from Epic Cosplay Wigs, and I'm really excited to open these guys up. Those of you who might not have caught it, I did a video about my Diona from Genshin Impact planning. So this wig is for that. Let's see how it looks. Here we go. Oh, I have a couple of other fun wigs in here. Maybe I'll show you those at the end of the video. I have some other things planned. Okay, I see it. I see our bubblegum pink Diona hair. Here it is in its bag from Epic Cosplay Wigs. Pop this guy open. Alright, so they put this around it to, I suppose, protect the bag, the wig in the bag, and they also have a little netting around the wig to help keep it in place. So let's take her hairnet off. She's also stuffed to help give her a little bit of shape, which I appreciate. So what do we think? I'm pretty happy with it. So Diona, if you saw that video, she has some short, spiky, bubblegum colored hair. I will have to style this wig a little bit. I'm gonna have to take these bangs, put them up into a little ponytail, which is okay. I've styled a wig before, pretty comfortable with it. I'm gonna try it on for you. Let's see how we do. So if you haven't put on a wig before, you have to put on a wig cap. So for putting on my wig cap, I typically will separate my hair into first two sections and then separate each section itself into two. And then I'll make some braids. Don't have to be neat. This is going underneath the wig and you'll probably see that mine look like a mess. So okay, I'll take my first braid. I'll cross it over my head towards the front here. The point of these braids is to hold the wig onto your head, to give your wig something to clip onto, or rather your wig pin something to clip onto. I'm using the same bobby pins that I'm going to use for my wig just because I'm lazy. So for these, I'm going to in the back, and it's roughly secured. It's not great, I'm not going to lie to you, but the wig cap will eventually hold everything in. Okay, we have another braid. Let's cross this one over. For the back ones, I usually try to make kind of an X on my head. There's that one. So now, the other side. Okay, now cross this one over again. And last braid. Okay, and so with this, mostly secured, like I said, not the neatest. Let's see, let me look at my mirror. Yep, that's a lot of fun. So after you pin up your hair in whatever way works for you, some people do like little rolls, different things, but like I said, this is what I do. After that, we're gonna open up our wig caps. So these are kind of like a pantyhose material. The wig pins go through them really easily. There's one. Okay, so here is a wig cap. So now what I need to do is I need to stretch my wig cap over all of my hair to get it all contained in this net. Now you know kind of what I look like bald. So I'm gonna pull it back on the top here so that it doesn't show under my wig. If you've got a wig with bangs, it helps with this a lot, but my wig eventually is going to be pinned back and I'm gonna have my full forehead showing, so I need to be able to cover that. Great, so I've got my wig cap on. Now let's try on this baby. So one good trick for your wig is a lot of times they'll have, I'll show you, a lot of times they'll have these little straps for ears right about here. I've never used these straps myself for anything. Maybe somebody can educate me about how I can actually use them. The only thing I do use them for is to figure out where the front of my wig is. So I put one thumb on one thumb on the other, right at the front, and that helps me center the wig on my head. So, let's go. I'm gonna pull it back and over, make sure I don't have any hairs trapped. And here we are. What do we think? Needs definitely some styling, but let me check out my mirror here. Ooh, she is fun. Look at that. And with that, we have our Diona wig. Now, if I'm gonna wear this to a con or something, I'm definitely gonna pin the wig into place. So the way you do that is you kind of go between the hair, underneath, and through the wig. And you're gonna kind of twist it a little bit, and then you're gonna push it in to secure the wig. This is gonna make the wig feel nice and snatched, nice and tight to your head. I do it in a few different places. I do it kind of right here, around the front. I do a couple in the back, in the bottom, and depending on how heavy the wig is, you might need other anchor points. You're gonna feel when you have your wig on whether it feels like it's gonna slide around or whether it's secure to your head. So let me just do the front so you can see that it's gonna be a little bit more secure once I pinned it. Another thing you're gonna wanna do with your wig is hide your hairs on the side here. I'm gonna pull the wig over, and that way you can't see that I actually have brown hair underneath. Okay, so that's still slippy a little bit. I'm going to secure top here now. That's where I'm feeling loose. So that's what you're gonna have to do, is just some trial and error, see where your wig feels loose. You may have to pin again, but that's a lot better already. So add as many pins as you need or can handle. Sometimes they get a little uncomfortable, but there we are. Here is my wig for Diona pre-styling. What do you think? Does the color look good? Is it what we were going for based on that details video? Oh, I also forgot. I was gonna show you guys these other wigs. This is for a future cosplay. I'm a big Legend of Zelda fan, and this will be for my Legend of Zelda cosplay. I'm actually not going to tell you who it is. You guys tell me who it is. Who am I cosplaying as with this baby? Give me a shout in the comments. Let me know if you know. If you know, you know. So my boyfriend Jared is joining me in this cosplay journey. He's going to be doing a cosplay for Kaya from Genshin Impact, who is another ice character. And here is part of his wig. So Kaya has a big ponytail. So we got this part for the top. And I'm loving the color. What was the color? I'm trying to remember. It was like a midnight blue or something like that. Here is the Kaya wig. It has some great length in the back, which is going to be perfect because we have the attachment for Kaya's ponytail. We have a clip-on piece. Oh my gosh, it's nice and heavy. I can feel it. It is a long ponytail. Let's take it out. Okay, here is that ponytail. So this is a clip-in. It's got a claw clip here, and it also has what looks like something to tighten the connection of the, I don't know if you guys can see that there, to tighten the connection of the wig piece to the claw. It's got a little bit of elastic there. But yeah, here's our Kaya ponytail. I wonder what that would look like attached to me right now. What do we think of this mix and match look? Is this ridiculous? I'll rock it. Alright y'all, so this is the wig. I am looking forward to styling it and making it look perfect for Diona, adding our kitty tails and all of our accessories. Like I said, let me know what you think. Does this match? Is this the right wig? Do I need to go back to the drawing board? Give me your thoughts, and I'll see you next time.